Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Driving in Jamaica. Today we're driving through the Rockfort area. We're now entering the Sir Florizel Glassboat Highway, and this highway takes us from Windward Road towards Harbour View. Now straight ahead, that's the Jamaica Flour Mills facility. And Rockfort, this section of Rockfort is more commercial area. You have a lot of manufacturing plants, and to the right is the Kingston Harbour. So these plants have, okay, straight ahead, let me slow down. You can see something running across the road, and that allows the finished product to get from the plant onto the ship. So it runs right across the road. So these facilities are well positioned, and a ship comes in, docks right there. There you can see the thing, and they just load it straight onto the ship. So this is straight ahead now is a cement company. They have the same facility setup. Okay, on the left is the head office for Rubis. That used to be Shell in Jamaica. So that makes life so much easier when you can just manufacture the products and get it straight onto the ship, or the ship comes in with the raw material that the factory needs and it just goes straight into the factory. Saves time. You don't have to worry about going to Kingston port or docking at another harbour and clearing the goods and bringing it in, transport. You'd think that more companies would have facilities or plants with that kind of setup down here. There you can get a better view of the cement company. On the left now we're passing the mineral bath, the Rockfort mineral bath, and you can see they have some little stalls over there where you can have a private room and thing. I'm not sure if that facility still operates. If anybody knows, you can leave a message below, but I know at one time it was up and running. And a mineral bath it's supposed to have special water that comes from a mineral fountain or something, and it's supposed to have all sorts of medical benefits to it. I've been to one once down in Bath, and it was a nice experience. I don't know if it helped medically, but it was nice. Okay, now this is a cement company facility. I think the correct name is the Caribbean Cement Company. I think the most popular mineral bath in Jamaica is probably the Milk River or the one over in Bath, St. Thomas. Okay, on the right you can see the Kingston Harbour. So even like here, on the left there is just empty land. You could easily set up a plant and have the same facility set up where you have a dock, where just like cement company or flour mills. I think more of those facilities should be built. Okay, we're now entering the Harbour View area. Harbour View is another neighborhood that is has a large residential population. A lot of homes in Harbour View. Okay, we're coming up to the Harbour View roundabout. If we turn right at the roundabout, we go on to Palisados, and that takes us into the Norman Manley International Airport. If we turn left, we go into the residential areas of Harbour View. If we go straight, we continue towards the St. Thomas area. It's still Harbour View, but we continue. Okay, on the left, a very nice complex is being built. Okay, I want to show this to you guys. On the left, we're passing a Total gas station. Let's just drive through. This is Total. Oh my God. This must be the most expensive gas station in Jamaica. Or if it's not, it is one off. That's not why I came in here, but look at that price. $272 for low sulfur. Not even in the country have I seen that price. Actually, this vehicle uses low sulfur, so that's the gas we're familiar with. And I've never seen 260, much less 272. Well, that might explain what's going on here now. That's a Total gas station, and literally we're looking at another Total gas station on the left. So I'm wondering why Total has the two gas stations so close to each other. Now this one has their diesel for $230, but it's not low sulfur. It's a regular diesel. So I was wondering, I think we had mentioned it in an earlier video, why they have two gas stations so close to each other. But I think I know now. If one is selling at $272, oh my God, I have never seen that price for diesel in Jamaica. And this is the second Total gas station now. No, they don't seem to sell low sulfur, but oh my God, ridiculous. Okay, so you have two Total gas stations within walking distance, like a 5-second drive in between them, and I just couldn't understand why. Alright, this is the Harbour View Plaza, and on the left you can see that's a new KFC that was recently built. And it doesn't matter what time of day it is, it doesn't matter what day of the week, KFC always has a line. There is a Tasty in here. This plaza is on a renovation. They fixed up the other side, and I guess they'll get to this side soon. But there's also a Pizza Hut, so this goes to show you the kind of residential population you have around here. There's a KFC, and there's a line. And it doesn't matter how long the line is, people are going to join it to get KFC. That's why KFC is the #1 fast food restaurant in Jamaica. Food just tastes good. And for those of you who not familiar with KFC in Jamaica, they sell barbecue chicken in Jamaica. And the KFC in the US, they don't sell that type of chicken. I'm not sure why, but when persons come down from America, especially the Jamaicans, two things they always want. One is a patty, and the other one is barbecue chicken from KFC. And without a doubt, there is no question, KFC is the #1 fast food chain in Jamaica. Without a doubt. And the food tastes good. Alright, this is a roundabout I was talking. Okay, let's just go around it because I think I was talking about the gas and we didn't point it out. Okay, if we turn left here, that's Palisados, and it takes us on to the Norman Manley International Airport. This is the road we just came down, but that is Sir Florizel Glasspool Highway. It takes us back to Kingston. This is the turn off to go to Harbour View, the residential area or the residential part, and we're going to go straight. And this is also Harbour View, but this is the main road. Now this road would lead us into St. Thomas. Okay, I'm going to just point out where the Harbour View Cinema used to be. They call it the Harbour View Drive-In, and it was a very popular drive-in theater back in the day. This was one where you just drive up in your car, they had a special frequency. You put your radio on that frequency and you could get the audio and watch a movie. Very, very nice data back in the day, but it no longer operates. Not as a drive-in anyway. Okay, we're going over some bridge. I'm not sure what the name of this bridge is, but it's a very nice bridge. And as you can see, this part of Harbour View is a 4-lane road, and you can see it's in good condition. So I guess it was renovated recently because it wasn't always like this. And you can see the stop sign, the stop lights. So this was recently renovated. On the left is the Harbour View residential areas, a lot of different communities in there. Okay, on the right now, where you have that, oh, the name is still there, but some is missing, Harbour View Drive-In. Okay, it looks like it operates as some sort of construction site now, but that building on the right, where you see the fence with the barbed wire, that used to be the drive-in. The poles that actually had the giant screen on it is still there. So okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.